replacing just the drive is a bit not really fun. The thrill is this one. Okay. Nice, okay. Okay. Just be patient. This could take a while sometimes. Sometimes it okay, there you go. That's the X. You can see the thermal paste is quite dry. Take here. It's quite dry. I'm not sure if this has been replaced before, but the seal earlier shows me that this has never been, replaced or open. It's in open before. Okay, I'm gonna be replacing the thermal paste on the chip.